I mean, TikTok songs live in my head. But this week on Entertainment Recap, Happy Hail Mary got baptized. Our local celebs got into the Halloween spirit. 2 Jamaicans, 1 Trini, on a track. These and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. For most of you, when taking the Christian walk, being baptized is a goal we aim for. And that's exactly what Happy Hail Mary, daughter of reggae artist Buju Banton, did. The 21-year-old Abigail made the announcement when she posted pictures of her baptism on Instagram with a caption stating, "Today was the best day of my life. It has truly been an experience, one for the books. I'm happy that I was able to document it all. I fought, learned, faced public humiliation, cried, got back up, listened, and trusted God. All in the name of Christ. And I know I am home. It was rough, I won't lie. I lost a lot of friends and family along the way, some that truly came at a surprise. But I had to lose. I couldn't go forward with them. I wouldn't be able to fulfill my purpose and share this testimony with you all. I've been my most vulnerable self, stripped of all my layers, both physical and emotional, in order to gain what has been so much more fulfilling. It was all worth it. I am better, stronger, much wiser, and I'm able to proudly say that I am truly a child of God. And thank you to everyone who fought silently with me. Congrats, Abigail, on your big move." It's not our tradition, but when in Rome, I guess do as the Romans do. Some of our local celebs participated in Halloween costumes and all, from the Incredibles to a priest and nun. Queen of the dancehall, Spice, and her family came to the forefront, decked out as the Incredibles, even her dog. A few pumpkins in the patch from TC, Tanania, Kareem Boyatings, and friends. Safari showed up on the day as Fred with his little Bam Bam from Flintstones. And mixture of priests and dead nun from Usain Bolt and Casey Bennett. Daughter Olympia Bolt as a skeleton, and twin boys, Thunder and Saint, dressed as scarecrows from The Wizard of Oz. Somebody they a leader. Give me a little time, a little feature. And Diani and Maishadan's song dubbed Senorita was flexing hard on the airwaves. But now it has a remix with Nyla Blackman. The Trinidadian international female artist teamed up with both Maishadan and Diani to complete not just the remix for the song, but also the video. Talking about the track, Nyla said that the record just fell into her lap and she loved it. She stressed that she is an artist who just loves doing good music. So it doesn't matter what genre. Don't just take it from me. Sweet yourself.
Get a like champagne, litter than candle. Give your dog good, cause you know I be under. Anytime, anywhere, I put it on me. Call me up whenever you're feeling lonely.
Alright then, Nyla. Come and me rub you down, nibble. You grab me and a bubble up. Caress your body, you love it rough and me touching you.
Carib the Bear, and not Carib Cement, is rebranding for their 70th anniversary. And they roll out a song celebrating the beauty that is the Caribbean, using our own Shensia and Trinidadian soca artist Corinne Dubois. The song titled Can You Feel It was conceptualized by Major Lazer. It does not stop there. Also on the campaign is producer DJ Khaled, who is said to be working with the brand for the next 2 months, even though he's not a brand ambassador.
And you can dance and sing all day. Oh. carnival of ecstasy in a true Caribbean way. And you know
It's a celebration, life we celebrating, sunshine in every step with every sip we taking.
Then is Big Deal Business Caribbean in Wade. I like it.
living our favorite life.
Raise a toast around the world, yeah.
We be moving all day long. This is home, this is the playground. We will show you.
This week's new music comes from Massacre with Love Story, Chanel Muir with Talk Truth, and Intense featuring Skybad with Inna the Ghetto. Take a look.
I guess which I love and it no work behind your pretty smile. Me see the earth, me know me dish a dirt. Me dead as if lift you up, not on dirt. I feel it all if me search, me no find nothing close to you. You are the first. Can you tell me what to do this and the truth? We are reverse. Me preach and you what say I do with all of me youth in the church. Just the thought of you and make my heart a move in my shirt. Me feel like Whitney when we did not go by school and we a flirt.
Tell me if me ever style you yet. When me ever lie to you. What's there and there when you ever gonna count for me? Look for me, tell the truth. You know me never style you yet. I'm never even off you. There's never a day when you ever gonna count for me. You know me, I tell the truth. They got work last week and I for calling sick. My best friend link me say fi drive come quick. She say girl, but I know what to tell her. Me not sure what to tell you. Come see for yourself, your season.
Youth way 14, got no dream. Even have a girl close to 14. Him a pro with him same lovey. From him done dead, him jack like a phone screen. You see that girl there, she only 23. Say I ran on a love bit of surgery. Education, you know where she. All about the money, hype and the luxury. I daddy drop a J from 3 and 7. Why she reach then a finger starts guess by 11. Never have he father love, he guide her through the level. Every man and mother take, she see them as step.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, these individuals. Happy birthday to you. This week's birthday shout out goes to dancehall producer Dave Kelly and Tommy Lee, dancehall artists. Have a happy birthday and continue to do great work. And just big up you. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Follow us on all socials at pbcjamaica. Thanks to Ear Candy Collection, as per usual, for my lovely earrings. And remember to follow them on all socials at the Ear Candy Collection. Just remember, until next time, big up who? You!